Okay, now we're walking down the river. Not walking down the river, walking down the park. Ooh, wow, that's interesting. Feeding the fish is therapeutic. Yeah. Let's look at the fish. Wow, look at the amount of fishes. Ooh, my God. You hear the sound. Feeding fishes are so therapeutic. So So one of the things you could do in the nature park, feeding fishes. But who is eating the fishes? So big. I hope there are some eagles and hawk. Population must be controlled.
Heron eat them.
No, but not so big a fish. I don't think you get such a big fish. I've not seen a heron eat such a big fish. I mean, like this size, the most. Yeah, it's huge. I think you need a pelican. I don't know whether pelican did this.
Pelican?
Yeah, pelican. Pelican is vicious, They can just soup it up. They even eat up people's bird. Go to bird cage, bash out a bird cage and eat up the birds. Didn't you see the YouTube? Nice. Beautiful.